Hey guys, what's going on? Gonna do a quick video for you, and it's not gonna be too long, but it's gonna show you what's happening out here. We got a drivability issue on the Chevy, and narrowing it down to some back lines. It's puking up about 13 codes, so got a lot of ghost hunting to do here. As you can tell, it's surging. Not starting very well, and we're going to take it from here. It's getting late out here, it's getting dark out, and it's cold, so we're going to just go into it like that. So well, turkeys are flying away on me here. Alright guys, just came in today early in the morning, narrowed it down, so I'm going to try something on it, see if my prediction's right as far as what the fix is going to be, and go from there. These guys are going to start clucking back here. We'll see what happens there. Alright guys, you guys all know about that, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much.